Hey everyone, Tom Parmentier, co-founder of MaxHousePrice here, and today I'm going to be talking to you about how to find a reliable home renovation contractor. Now, unfortunately, not all renovation contractors are created equal, and there's many scammers out there looking to take advantage of homeowners. So in this video, I'll be sharing some tips on how you can spot a reputable contractor and avoid scammers. A reputable contractor should be licensed and insured. This will protect you and your property in case of any accidents or damage that may occur during the renovation. Ask the contractor for a copy of their business license and insurance policy. Now, the insurance policy should at least include general liability and workers' compensation. Most home renovation contractors also use subcontractors, so it's important to verify the license and insurance information of the subcontractors as well. A reputable contractor should have a proven track record of completing successful renovation projects. They should be able to show you a portfolio of their completed renovation projects and provide you references from previous clients. When you search their business name online, you should be able to find a website and positive reviews from their clients. Be sure to look at those lowest scoring reviews as well, as they may give you insight into any struggles the contractors had in the past or may be currently experiencing that you'll want to be aware of. A reputable contractor will provide you with a detailed estimate and contract that includes all costs, including labor and materials. The contractor should be transparent and answer any questions you have about the estimate or contract. The contract should also clearly define the scope of work. Be wary of any contractors who give you a lowball estimate, a contract with very little detail, or pressure you to sign a contract before you've had a chance to fully review it. Another red flag to watch out for is contractors who require large down payments or ask for full payment up front. Reputable contractors are generally going to ask you for a deposit up front, but they will not ask for the full payment until all the work has been completed to your complete satisfaction. You should be paying in installments and only after the work has been completed to your satisfaction. A reputable contractor should be open and transparent about their process and keep you informed throughout the entire renovation. This includes regular updates and timely responses to your questions and concerns. If a contractor is not responsive or seems disorganized from the beginning, it may be a sign that you're not the right fit for your project. Choose a contractor who is easy to reach and can effectively communicate with you from the beginning. It's also important to not choose a contractor based solely on the cost. A lower bid may seem tempting, but it may also indicate the contractor is cutting corners, using subpar materials, or has a lower quality or inexperienced crew. A quality contractor will be transparent about any additional costs that may potentially arise during the renovation as well. Trust your instincts when choosing a home renovation contractor. If something seems too good to be true, it probably is. If you have a gut feeling about a contractor, listen to it. A reputable contractor should be professional, knowledgeable, and able to address all of your questions and concerns. If you're uncomfortable or unsure about a contractor, keep looking until you find one that you're confident in. MaxHousePrice is a top-rated home renovation contractor in the Washington, D.C. metro area who services Virginia, Maryland, and D.C. With a team of experienced and highly skilled professionals, we provide a wide range of home renovation services from kitchen and bath renovations to full-scale home renovations. At MaxHousePrice, we take pride in our attention to detail, transparency, and commitment to our clients' complete satisfaction. If you're looking for a reliable and reputable home renovation contractor, look no further than MaxHousePrice. To learn more about our services and to schedule a consultation, visit us online at maxhouseprice.com or feel free to call or text us today at 703-215-2144. Our friendly and knowledgeable team is always here to help. And be sure to check out our blog for more tips and information on home renovations and creating your dream home. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and we'll get back to you. Have a great day. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and advice on home renovation. Thanks so much.